So, someone very kindly picked up some of the new batch of Gold Wave for me, which was very nice of them because my store luck is really bad. So we have 12 line bags. That should hopefully all be the latest set. Let's do our best and hope everything is good, and hopefully I can open these bags okay. Let's pick randomly. Our first one here, this is Dawn. This cute little bird on her back. Let's see what her tag says. This cat gets up bright and early. I'm gonna go ahead and set her order over here. Let's see, so grab next. Get this one. And we have Cole. Very cute. I love the moths. That's my favorite part. Just a cat-o'-lantern. Next up, it's Carrot Head. Very cute carrot. Very orange. Unflattened his little stem. His little roots on the back. This cat cares a lot. It is totally fine. No carrots have been hurt in the making of this video. Gotta fix your little stem. Bloop. Next up, it's Sailor. This has been one of the ones I've wanted most in Gold Wave, who I have personally referred to as the anime protagonist cat. Which, if you can't guess why, then I don't know what to tell you, but if you can, then you know why. This cat's over the moon. You know what? I think that means I'm right. She's so cute. I love her. Woo! Alright, next up. We have Yin Yang. Yin Yang is one of those ones that just looks better in person. I feel like that's the case of a lot of the ones with the lighter colored eyes. Order and chaos. That's essentially how I'm opening these bags. Alright, next one. We have Miss Pickle. Hello, little bristling pickle. El Matzo, the masked cuke. Next we have fish and chips. Get cute little tartar saucy swirl. This cat's wrapped. Just have a few more left. Next we have a Madeline. It's a Madeline cookie. Very cute. This cat's a little kooky. Next up, it's Juke, who's a jukebox. I really love the gradient around it. That's my favorite part. play your favorite song. Such pretty colors. Next we have camouflage. This is one of the ones that was a chunk for the purple wave, and that I really liked, and I really like having it in bean form too. It is very cute. I think the colors look a little more vibrant, honestly. You can always compare it with the chunk. 1 second. You go camouflage. You just sit there for a second. And here we go. Here's chunk camouflage. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. I don't know. I still think the bean looks slightly more vibrant. Yes, especially like right next to each other. Even though the colors are the same, the chunk is slightly a bit more desaturated, which is interesting. Anyway, friends, we're gonna go ahead and put chunk camouflage away. And bean camouflage is gonna go right over here. Oop. All beans are fine. Alright, we just have 2 bags left. Doo-doo-doo. Next up is Dr. Gherkin. He is a pickle and a doctor. He's very soft, honestly. He has a little stain on the back of his coat. Guessing from whatever is in that potion-y thing. Vial. Potion bottle. Anyway. Just a prescription you need. Why does he have a cat pun? He is a pickle. Why do you have a cat pun anyway? Still very cute. And here's our final bag, which if we open up the checklist really quick. So obviously we got camouflage and yin yang. Wow, camouflage, the colors are really off on the checklist. Regardless. And then, so we've got in Sailor, Cole, Carrot Head, Juke, Joe, Dawn, Madeline, Fish and Chips, Dr. Gherkin, which means this last one should be Lily. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up to be our green lily pad friend. And are we correct? Yes. Here she is. Lily. Very pretty lily pad. The water around it, and a cute little frog friend on the back. Hello, little frog. Lily, this cat loves the water. And there we go. We have all of them. We have Lily, Madeline, Yin Yang, Dr. Gherkin, Camouflage, Juke, Fish and Chips. Oh god, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to put the tail on your face. Dawn. You look a little happier. There you go. Cole. Sailor. Elmato. Look, I have very short little arms. Elmato. And finally, Carrot Head. Yay! Honestly, set E is just really nice. I really like them, so here they all are. Big thank you again to the very nice person who picked them up for me. At the moment, I believe you can only find set E at Five Below in the US. I know people are finding it in the UK as well. I'll probably be at Walmart soon. Walmart usually gets everything. But if you're looking for it now, Five Below may be your best bet, or Gambling with Blind Bags on Amazon. Here we go, a very happy set E family. Thank you for watching.